Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. And in this Python tutorial, we'll be learning about a Python library called Vpython. And using Vpython, you can draw 3D objects, you can do animations, you can make live plots, you can you can simulate some physics equations and other stuff you can do. So first job is to like how to install Vpython. So for that, just type a command pip install vpython. Now run it. So see, it is telling that requirement are satisfied. I means in my system, vpython is already installed. So if not installed in your system, just type this command and like you get completed with that. So now our second problem is that how to draw any 3D object in vpython. So for that, we'll import libraries like from import vpython, or you can also import from vpython import star. Two way you can import these things. Now come to object. Uh, so using vpython you can draw any object like rectangular box, lines, arrows, a sphere, helix, cone, pyramid, all type of shapes you can draw in a 3D style. Also, we will draw a sphere of some radius and having some coordinate centered around a location. You can also give like what is the color of that sphere, what is the size, what radius. So let's give. So call it a object one, a sphere. Now within bracket, we can type its position. And remember that position should be a vector in 3D. So type vector, and this will be like your x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. So for time being, I am giving it 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So basically, the center of the sphere will be at 0 coordinate. Now we can give the radius. So radius equal to say 2 unit. Now we want to give color to that sphere. So color equal to color dot red. Now run it. So basically restart this kernel. Now run it. See, here we have got a nice sphere of radius 2 at center 0, 0, and the color is red. You can also change the color. Say you can say green. Yeah, see. Now we have got a green sphere. You can also change the radius and position if you want. Say 1, 2, 3. I think every time you need to clear the output. See, this time your sphere is shifted from 0, point, and you can also give your color vector as a vector. Say vector equal to RGB, say 100. Basically, this is red, green, and blue color. Save it. Now restart it and run it. See, this time you have got a like green color. So this way you can give, this is your like RGB color. This is like red, green, and blue. So this way you can give it. So for that I'm giving like color dot red, and now we can also draw other shapes. Suppose that you want to, and also you can like zoom your sphere if you want. Can zoom it, zoom out, can do whatever you want. Now go to object 2. Object 2. Say you want to draw a box, position equal to vector, and you give it like 000 as usual. Then size equal to again vector, 1 to give say 1 2 3. Now color equal to color dot blue. Now save it and run it. Maybe you need to restart the kernel. And now run out. Oh, there's something wrong. This is like vector. Wrongly written. Yeah, so better do one thing. Just copy this code and go here. You have say 5, 5, 5, and just run it. See, it has draw a red sphere and blue box. You can zoom it, zoom out. You can also see. You have like you can make so many objects. You can also make other sphere. Say that, or maybe you can object 3. You can also make object say Now you can also draw object 4. So object 4 equal to, you can say you want to, like you want to draw cylinder, so give it position like 10 comma 10 comma 10, you give axis say 1 comma 0 0 along the x-axis. Now give radius equal to 5. I think there should be vector. Yeah, position must be vector also. Okay, so see, I think you got a cylinder here. Yeah, like the height is very small, so you can, it is almost looking like a disc. Just make it 10. Yeah, so you got a bigger length cylinder. So this way you can draw 3D object in Python, Vpython. So thank you for that.